to wear this today. Wow. Wow. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it.
So cute, Mama. Oh.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we're going to be unboxing everything my girl got for her birthday party. Look at how smiley she is. I think this is the first time she's making a video with me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, we've got lots of boxes, lots of gift bags to unbox. We hadn't had time to do it, but we're gonna do it now. Okay, right, let's do it. What have we got in here? Who is this one? Hasn't got any name. Let's open this. How do you open it?
We did that.
Hold on, let's see how you open it.
Okay. You like this? You have to open it like
Oh, that's why it's difficult to open. Right, here you go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hold on.
You do the tie and I'll open the present. What's that? This. I don't know what. Wow. This is amazing.
You like it?
Yeah. Thanks.
Look at that.
Ta-da.
Okay, let's see what's in this one. Open this one.
This we have open.
Yeah.
We have what's the things inside in the Elsa one.
Elsa bag.
Elsa bag. We have this.
Yeah. So have these. Oh, look at that, Mama. That's so pretty.
It's too big.
It's not big, babe.
Okay.
It's so beautiful, Mama. And that, look at that. That's a vase. It's beautiful, isn't it?
I love this.
And look at this.
Trouser.
I love it.
Trouser. That's why I like it.
Yeah.
You not fall down.
You love it.
I like it.
Okay, let's open the other one and see what we got.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
Thanks. It's very open. Wow. Clothes again.
Clothes again. Lots of clothes. This one, put them in the bin.
Okay. Wow. Clothes again. Wow. That's why I like it too.
Mama, I love this one. It's so beautiful.
I like this too. I won't have this in the shots.
Yeah, and this looks so pretty. Isn't it beautiful?
I can have this today.
Yeah. Is it finished? That one is empty.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks. Wow, bag. Wow.
Chocolate. Box of chocolate.
Wow.
And another chocolate.
The bag, that's why I like it.
Oh, that's a beautiful bag.
Now I get 2 bags.
You have 2 bags. It's beautiful. Love it. Is there anything else in there? That one is finished. Let's open the other one.
Wow. What's that in there? Oh, what's that? Wow. A Peppa Pig pack lunch.
Chocolate.
I Peppa Pig pack lunch for me.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I like it.
I
This is the food one, and this is the for water.
Yeah. Now I have 2 wobble.
Look at that. It's so gorgeous. So beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so cute, Mama.
Yeah.
Right, open this one.
Okay. Wow, pencil.
Yeah.
Pencil. That's why I like. I
Got
want
a bunch of coloring pencils. What's in that one?
and clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Lots of clothes.
Yeah.
And clothes. Here you go.
Thanks. Then So that's why I opened this.
Who is this from? Read it.
I don't know.
It says happy birthday from Trevor and Posse.
Yeah.
Open it.
Let's open this. Yeah. Great. Let's open it. Let's open it. So what is this?
What's that?
I don't know what this.
It's lots of clothes, Mama.
Go together.
Oh my God, look, Mama, they're so beautiful. Look at that.
Wow, I want that.
So
And
pretty.
it's this dress.
It's very chic. I love it. Let's see.
Let's dress this.
Wow, lots of tops. Beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, Mama, this one is so pretty. Look at that. I love it. Oh. Let's put it back in here. And what the next one is this? What's in there?
Big shoes.
Oh, the shoe.
I don't like big shoes.
Someone got this shoe, but it's actually big. So yeah, but
It's-
it's all good. We love it. Very beautiful.
It's for grown up.
Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Beautiful.
I need more of my shoes go for my side.
Yeah.
Yes,
what's
that's
this
my
one?
forgot.
Look at that one. Who is this from? Most of the gifts doesn't have the name of who it came from. It just there's no name.
No name in present.
No, it's no name, babe.
What is it? I don't know what's inside. Let's open it now. Ah, self tape. This is self tape.
Yeah.
I don't know what's inside.
Let's see.
I didn't see this before.
Let's see.
It's good. I
Wow,
like it.
this is so big. It looks like a dressing gown. Shall we open it?
Yeah, and open again.
Yeah. No, don't rip it. Just open it gently. Look.
Okay.
I think it's a dressing gown. Oh, no. It's so fluffy. Mama, this is so pretty.
I like this.
Oh,
I want to wear this
look at
today.
that. Hold on. Hold on. Look at that. It's got the hoodie thing.
Yeah, to make me warm.
Yeah, to make you warm. It's so beautiful, Mom. Alright, here you go.
And the last one. New record. I love you. I love Nico so much.
And that one. Oh,
Yeah.
Mama, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow, thank you. That's fun. Don't make a bad noise, Carter. Oh.
Look at that.
Thanks. That's my one a birthday. And
What are you
when,
gonna say to everyone who got you a present?
thank you, everyone.
We've got lots of gifts. You know, we say thank you to everyone who attended this birthday party. We are so grateful. Like, we're really, really grateful. And you can see her excitement. She's so excited because this girl here loves parties. And yeah, I think I love that for her. So yeah, thank you very much for coming, and we are so grateful. We appreciate you, appreciate your presence, your gifts, your prayers, whatever, any kind of help that you rendered, any kind of offer that you rendered. We are super grateful for it. Mama, what do you say?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, and then we'll see you in our next video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Mama, say please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah. I love you.